Hi, you little handsome. I love you. I love both of you. I love all four of you. Yes, this is Sydney Cuckooberry. Baby and Ginger are inside, so of course they fall exactly where. There's my sweet loves. You're my sweet loves. Sydney was really upset a little while ago, but he's calmed down now. And he's very insecure. He wants his daddy always to be home, sitting right here, not far away. He doesn't want me to be far away. He's the reason why I adopted the other birds, to keep them company. Hi! Yeah, Sydney was given to me by people who couldn't keep him. I couldn't say no. After I met him, I saw him. I said, oh, how could I say no? We fell in love with each other at first sight. It was love at first sight. And there's Cuckooberry preening Sydney very sweetly. I wish you could see it, but it's kind of dim. In the shadow there. It's very sweet. Little bird love going on there. Cuckooberry preening Sydney. I don't know if Cuckooberry has much of a choice. When Sydney insists on being preened, or he's a little nervous, you can tell. Hi, handsome. He waves hello. Sydney likes to wave hello. The sun is hot today. The wind is cool. In the shade, it's cool. The sun is bearing down though. Very hot. These little loves.
You know that your birds are afraid when you leave?
Yeah, I could tell. They seemed really scared when I got here.
A little while ago I came in and they were there together.
Uh-huh.
Muy pegaditos.
Uh-huh.
But they will not say a word or a sound. They don't. While you're gone, there's no sound whatsoever. Even if I come and say hello to them.
They just sit there? Did they look scared? Did they look scared?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, they seem. Yeah, they have. They're just. That's their nature. That's the nature of birds. They're very scared when their human is the person who takes care of them. At least the nature of the domestic birds.
Yeah.
The ones that are in captivity. Hi. Hi. Okay, signing out. Yeah, that was Dad.